Hi guys, ayan si Ate Smart Kid kasama ulit ni Nanay. Sumama daw siya kasi um, wala silang pasok ngayon. So ayun, nakalimutan ko na busy ako dito sa aking ginagawa. Akala ko akong kasamang bata. Naalala ko ito para si Smart. Medyo ano pa yung boses ko guys, medyo paus pa kaya hindi pa ako makapagkanta-kanta. Sana ngayong Holy Week, kaso bawal naman magkanta-kanta Holy Week na yun. Okay, so nga pala guys, I would just love to remind you that our Chuck Part store in Shopee and Lazada already have 48 products posted. Okay, so the products that were posted are for car maintenance, car care, and protection, as well as tools and equipment. Okay, so if you're looking for a supply like wrenches, ano pa? Mga Rexco, mga panlinis ng gas range, panglinis ng mga carburetor ba? Tapos panglinis ng mga kinakalawang ng mga item, mga parts of the machines or the doors and hinges like that. Okay, we have those products. Okay, you just need to visit our store, Chuck Part. Okay, I'm gonna drop the link here in this video, and I hope you would love to follow also, para every time we post a new product you will be updated. Okay, so bye and thanks for watching. God bless.